Good morning.
Morning.
Today is our 5th day in the Smokies, and we both are kind of ready for this to be over with. We like the Smokies the way it looks, but we are ready to. I'm ready to take a shower, and
I'm ready to eat.
Fox is ready to eat. Yeah, me too, but do we have anything interesting to see today? We don't know, but we'll try to have some good views.
Yeah.
Okay, let's get it started. We just hiked 0.4 miles that are not important because they were just coming from the shelter. Finally on the AT now. Lots of this today. Spiky things. Good morning, world. Trying to make a slow pan so I don't get you guys all sick with my fast back and forth. That is so pretty, whoever put it here. So
These smell like bud, like weed.
they smell like weed.
Yeah, but they're obviously not weed.
Yeah. So this is a helicopter pad. What do you mean, but how? It just lands on it. That's cool, but it's old. It's retired. It's not a active one.
Helicopters. So pretty.
It's beautiful. So today is mainly green tunnel day. Some views, not too many. We have around 3.5 miles more to the shelter. But it was a really great day today because we decided to hike together today and have chats. So it's been a really lovely day so far.
Can't believe we're almost here for a month.
Yeah. Almost a month. A view of amazing mountains. Can't really read it, but I guess this is a shelter. So what are your thoughts about the Smokies?
I really love it. I didn't really know what to expect because I didn't really research much of it before I came in, but I enjoyed it more than I hated it, even though there were some really crazy elevations. Like the first day I had to carry like 30 pounds of food up one of the hardest elevations into the Smokies, and that was really rough, but the views really made up for it. And today, April 4th, I had the most fun because it was super warm, it was easy, it was mostly downhill. So all in all, I give Great Smoky Mountains like a 10 out of 10.
Yay!
So yeah, that was great. Okay, today's our last day in the Smokies. What has been your most favorite moment?
My most favorite moment was hiking up to Rocky Top.
Why is that?
Because that night or that day was like a lot of frost, so it looked like snow. And so on the tree, like all the trees were white, and even though the frost came off the trees, so it looked like it was actually snowing, and it just made the entire view really beautiful. And then I like Rocky Top, the song. I was able to sing it, so even though I did an awkward dance, but it was still my favorite experience.
Awesome. What did you hate the most?
I think the Smokies are probably as difficult as people are saying because it's really windy and cold. And so for me, the constant ups and downs and with the cold weather was probably the hardest part. This was definitely harder than Georgia for me. So we've been hiking almost a month now, over 200 miles. What is some of the gear that you were surprised that you really love and can't live without?
Good question. The mat that I'm currently sitting on has been one of my most favorite pieces of equipment. Last time I did this in 2020, I had a very small seat pad, and that was great too. But now this one is torso length, and it's so versatile because I can sit on it. I put it underneath my sleeping pad at night to keep it from sliding and to protect my pad more. I can nap on it when I'm tired. I can stretch out on it and put my pack on it. So this is one of my top pieces of gear. And then am I doing like 3? I can do 3. My next one is this jacket. I am so impressed with this jacket. This is the first time I wore it out backpacking. I got it specifically to try out a synthetic jacket and not a down jacket. And it's one of the best decisions because the Appalachian Trail is known for being the rainiest trail. And it's protected me in the rain and in the snow. And it actually is very warm. So get this if you can. Super customizable, gray and blue. And my third one would be, I'm not really sure. I always use these things. Probably this, my GPS communicator. I can talk to my loved ones and they can talk back to me and see where I'm going. And that's one of the features I really like because without service, I can still communicate and they know I'm safe.
Awesome.
Yeah. What has been your top 3 pieces of gear?
Oh, top 3 so far? Well, number 1 is my quilt, my Enlighten equipment quilt. That thing really keeps you so warm. So I'm really in love with it. And then my second favorite is actually my sleeping bag liner, and I talked about this in a video before. I'm really thankful I brought this because a lot of subscribers were like, you don't really need it, it's extra weight, just wear any extra base layers, but this is the best thing ever, and I love that it keeps me warmer at night, and then I'm gonna be able to use it in the summertime as like a blanket as well. And then my third thing is probably the jacket, because it's the Enlighten Equipment Torrid jacket, and it's just, it keeps you warm and it's not even down, so it's like, it's really a great I don't know, like gear to have. So yeah, those are my 3 things. So this is Katie. Actually, she has a YouTube account as well, which is Geocaching Katie.
Yep.
So check her out. She finds geocaches on YouTube.
So
And she just said she's so cheesy, which is actually perfect because her trail name is Cheeseball.
Yes.
So yeah, we love that name. So we asked the other questions. So
Okay.
Smokies.
Yes.
What are your thoughts now
Oh my
that
gosh,
you've done
it's
them?
magical.
It's magical.
It's magical. Yeah, the flowers. I sat in the bed of flowers earlier. Oh, so nice.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Is there something that was challenging for you?
Going up to Klingman's Dome.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was challenging. And then the rocks.
Right, Cheeseball.
Yeah.
What are the 3 so far? We've hiked like a whole month already.
That's crazy.
So
Yeah.
what are 3 pieces of gear that you are so happy you have and you're surprised maybe that you're happy about?
Okay, number 1, the sit pad.
The sit pad.
I'm not using it right now, but
Yeah.
like it's like, yeah, game changer. Oh, I got a pillow. Okay, I started with a stuff sack with my clothes, and then that did not cut it. So I got a pillow at Neil's Gap.
Oh.
Changed my life.
Yeah.
And then number 3, my backpack.
Yeah.
You love your backpack?
Yeah, I love my backpack. Yeah, I used to have a different one, and this one's lighter.
Why do you like this one?
It's a lot lighter.
Okay.
Yeah.
Is it comfortable?
Yeah, and it's got the roll top.
What backpack do you have?
It's the Z-Pack. It's orange.
So
That's
the
all I know.
Z-Pack's
I'm not a
orange.
gearhead.
Z-Pack orange.
It's orange, and it's from Z-Packs.
Okay,
I don't know. I'm
perfect.
not a good gear person.
Alright, last night in the Smokies. Alright, this is our last night in the Smokies. This was day 5, so day 6 we're getting down. All right, so last night in the Smokies, this is day 5. Last night in the Smokies, this is day... All right, so last night in the Smokies, this is day 5. When we saw the mountains or the trees that were coming up to Rocky Top. Stupid fly. Okay.